The Housing Access Law protects you. In 2023, the immigrant community in Vermont, led by the organization Migrant Justice, started organizing to confront discrimination in housing. Before that, not having a social security number was being used as an excuse to not rent apartments to immigrants. After 2 years of struggle, the efforts of the immigrant community succeeded in ensuring that housing would be accessible. In 2025, the Law of Access to Housing Act 69 went into effect. What was achieved with this law? Any form of discrimination against a person because of their immigration status or citizenship is now prohibited in any place that serves the public in Vermont. In restaurants, hotels, and other public areas, they can't discriminate against you for being an immigrant. This includes discrimination by police or corrections officers. Any form of discrimination in housing against a person because of their immigration status or citizenship is also prohibited. Housing agencies and landlords cannot deny you housing or treat you differently because you are an immigrant. The law prohibits landlords and housing agencies from requiring a social security number to rent you a house or an apartment. It prohibits them from rejecting an application for lack of a social security number. If housing agencies or landlords want to check your credit or your criminal record, they must accept alternatives to a social security number. Alternatives include a passport, a driver's license, a state-issued ID, another unexpired document provided by the government of your country of origin, either the original or a copy, or an individual taxpayer identification number, ITIN. If landlords or housing agencies ask for a social security number, they must make it clear that this is optional. What can I do if I believe I have suffered discrimination in housing or public accommodations? For example, if they require a social security number in a rental application. Contact the Vermont Human Rights Commission so they can communicate with the landlord or housing agency. Email human.rights@vermont.gov or call 802-828-2480. What information should I have or hold on to help my case? The copy or a photo of the rental application in which they require a social security number. Any response of the landlord or housing agency which denied the application for lack of a social security number, or any conversation in which they continually ask for your social security number. This could be by text message, email, voicemail. The name and phone number of the landlord or housing agency. The law protects you. Stand up for your right to housing.